We can think of registers as memory where some content or text is stored, and given the memory location, you can load it again. You can access the content of register with double quote for register's name. I'll try to explain you with an example here. So let's say I want to yank or copy the static word in some register, right? Then what I'd have to do is type in double quote register name. Here I'm using it as R, then Y I W, right? So it got registered in a register, right? I'll introduce a small command here, which is :reg, which lists down all the registers. So here, if you see, this register :r static, right? Static is the word which we yanked. This percentage, double quotes percentage, is the file path which we opened. And there's one more. This is double quote static. So double quote static means is basically latest content you registered. So let's say let's yank something else. Let's say I'm yanking main with register name E, right? So now if you see this double quote like this one have main, right? So this is basically the double quote register stores the recently registered content, and this is double quote E is the main. Now how you can reuse it, right? Let's say I want to paste content from register I. In that case, you will have to use double quote register's name, which is here E here, then P for paste. And if you remember, I mentioned that delete in Vim is a bit different from delete in normal ID, right? And I'll try to explain it here. How is it different? Let's say I want to delete the system word from here, right? Then what I did is DW, which essentially deleted it. Now let's go to register. If you see, the system got stored in double quote system, right? So this essentially this word system also got registered in the registers. So here, as I mentioned, that when you delete something, it essentially cuts the text, right? So you can paste it, command capital P, right? And in fact, you can even store the deleted word in a particular register. Let's say here I'll be storing the deleting word in W register. I'm typing in double quote W T W, right? So now if we see the content for register W, it should be system, right? Cool. Now you must be wondering, we don't use we don't provide any register name when we are cutting or when we are deleting things. So how that's handled is basically whenever we are deleting something, let's say I am deleting the public, right, the W, and without giving any register name, it gets stored in double quote by default. Double quote public, right? Now, if I don't use anything, then by default, the command paste will access that content in double quote, and will just essentially print it. And that's applicable for yank, paste, delete, or any other operator.